Hello everyone, welcome to Help My Biz. At Help My Biz, we provide simple solution to your business complications to help your business grow. Today we will discuss different forms of business entity. Like when we want to start a business or provide a service, first thing that comes to our mind is should we start a company, a partnership firm, LLP or a sole proprietorship? Even when we think of a company, what comes to our mind is a public or a private company. So, let us understand about all these different forms of entity and then you can decide which firm type best suits your requirement. First of all, we will start with a private limited company. A private limited company is a company owned by a small group of people who owns shares of the company. Its shares cannot be traded in the public market. A private limited company requires 2 members to start and the maximum limit is 200 members. A private limited company is a separate legal entity with no minimum paid up share capital prescribed by the Act, and the liability of the members is limited. The shares can be easily transferred between members by filing and signing a share transfer form. Though valuation is required in case of transfer of shares under Section 56 as per Rule 11 UA of Income Tax Act 1961. Now coming to a public limited company. Public company is formed by a minimum number of 7 members. The shares of a public company can be traded in the stock market if it is listed on a particular stock exchange like NSE, BSE, etc. So one of the biggest advantages is that we can raise funds by issuing shares to the public and thus an unlimited number of members can join us. Now another popular form of organization is LLP, that is Limited Liability Partnership. It is a type of partnership which gives the benefits of a limited liability of a company and the flexibility of a partnership. Also, it is a separate legal entity and is organized and operated on the basis of a LLP agreement. The liability of partners is limited according to LLP Act. Also, it involves lesser compliances and cost as compared to limited companies. One of the compliance benefit is that in case of LLP, there is no mandatory requirement of accounts getting audited. A LLP is required to get tax audit only when the contribution of LLP exceeds 25 lakhs or the annual turnover of LLP exceeds 40 lakhs. Now guys, let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of a partnership firm. A partnership firm is easy to start. The only requirement for starting a partnership firm is a partnership deed. In a partnership firm, decision making could be faster as there is no concept of passing resolutions, but there should be good coordination between the partners. But partnership firm also has its own disadvantages like liability of all the partners are unlimited and they are personally liable for the losses of the partnership firm. At last, the formation of sole proprietorship is quite simple and affordable. The sole proprietor has full freedom and flexibility to run the business as compared to other forms of business. It also has faster incorporation procedure. There are also some other forms of organization like OPC, that is one person company. It is formed by a single shareholder and it also enjoys limited liability unlike a sole proprietorship. A body of individuals or association of persons is formed when two or more persons come together. It can be a company or a body corporate, even if it has not been incorporated formally. Hindu Undivided Family, which is only found in India and is a family business governed by Hindu law. It is not so popular in today's world. There can also be a trust or an NGO which is generally formed for doing non-profitable business. So guys, as Simon Sinek says, we don't do business with companies, we do business with people. So concluding this, you can choose any form of organization. At the end of the day, the people who makes the company matters the most. Thanks. For any questions or queries, please contact us at www.helpmybiz.in and comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting latest videos.